grow. Clap your hands, tap your feet. Counting time is super sweet. Counting 1. I'll take 1, put it down. Number 1, it's all around. Take 2 blocks, stack them straight. 1, 2, wow, they look great. 3 blocks high, can you see? 4 and 5, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count and build, count and build. Use your hands, learn new skills. Up we go, don't let it fall. Counting blocks is fun for all. Count and build, yes we can. Little builders, big plan. Let's build a house, strong and wide. Count the blocks and stack with pride. 1 for the wall, 2 for the door, 3, 4, 5. Add some more. 6 and 7, 8 and 9. Our little house looks so fine. Count, 2, wait for fine. Count and build, count and build. Every number helps us grow. Stack them up, nice and tall. Careful now, don't let them fall. Can we build a bridge today? Count the blocks and find the way. 1, 2 blocks on either side. 3, 4, place them wide. 5, 6, across we go. 7, 8, steady and slow. Jump and count. 1, 2, 3. Clap and count. 4, 5, 6. Spin around. 7, 8. Stomp your feet. 9, 10. Let's build a tower, big and tall. Count together, 1 and all. 1 to 5, then 6 to 10. Wow! Let's count again. Slow and steady, nice and neat. Counting makes our building sweet. Count and build,